If you've ever tried to hire an accountant and could get a straight answer in price, you're not imagining it. Most business owners don't hire the wrong accounting firm because of bad service. They hire the wrong firm because they never had clarity on the investment up front. In this video, we're going to explain why pricing calculators, the online tools that let you estimate cost based on your business details, are actually one of the most useful things to look for when hiring an accounting firm. Not because they give you a perfect quote, but because they help you understand fit, scope, and realistic expectations before you waste time on sales calls. Pricing calculators are becoming more common across almost every industry. People expect to estimate the cost of software, insurance, home projects, marketing services, and even legal help before they ever talk to a salesperson. And that's not a bad thing. When you're making a large ongoing investment as a business owner, transparency matters. Pricing can be a make or break factor between two firms that otherwise look similar. And if a firm is intentionally vague about pricing just to get you in the door, it's fair to wonder what else might not be transparent. That same expectation for clarity has made its way into accounting and payroll. When you ask an accounting firm how much they cost, the answer is usually, it depends. And to be fair, that's true. Accounting pricing depends on things like revenue, payroll, number of employees, transaction volume, and overall complexity. But from the business owner's side, that lack of clarity makes it hard to compare firms, understand value, or even know if you're talking to the right one. Most business owners aren't just shopping for price. They're trying to figure out what level of accounting support actually makes sense for their business. Do you need year-round accounting or just a tax file? Do you want payroll handled or not? Do monthly financial statements matter to you? And just as important, how does pricing change as your business grows? Without context around the pricing model, it's easy to underbuy, overbuy, or hire the wrong firm entirely. This is where pricing calculators come in. A pricing calculator is simply a tool that asks the right questions up front and gives you a realistic estimate range based on how your business operates. A good pricing calculator isn't about giving you an exact number. It's about setting expectations. It helps you understand what services typically cost, why pricing varies, and which parts of your business actually affect that cost. That's important because as your revenue grows, you add new employees, expand it to new states, increase transaction volume, your accounting needs and pricing usually change too. A legitimate pricing calculator should ask meaningful questions about your business, provide realistic ranges, not fake instant quotes, clarify what's included and what's not, and reduce surprises later if a calculator gives you a rock-bottom price without asking about payroll, transactions, or compliance. That's usually a red flag. At CSI, we built our pricing calculator to give business owners clarity up front. It helps estimate our monthly accounting investment and per-process payroll costs based on real factors that actually affect pricing for most firms. It also helps you quickly see if we're a good fit. We work with small, medium-sized U.S. businesses that want to outsource accounting or payroll and value compliance, accuracy, and communication. If that's not you, it saves everyone time, and that's intentional. At worst, you walk away more informed. At best, you avoid hiring the wrong firm. If you're exploring accounting or payroll services, we've linked our pricing calculator in the description. It's on our website, and it's there to help you estimate what your monthly accounting or payroll might realistically look like for a business like yours. If you're still not sure what type of accounting support actually makes sense for you right now, we've also got an ideal accounting solution quiz. And of course, you can always schedule a free consultation if you want to talk things through. Hiring an accounting firm is a long-term investment. The clearer their pricing and expectations are upfront, the better that relationship usually is over time. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe to our channel below.